1. Currently available for sale for $5,000 is an exciting 1962 Austin Healey Sprite. With a mileage of 74,355 miles, this car represents a unique opportunity to own a classic car with a history. Having a beautiful interior and a hard top, despite the lack of a soft top, the seller provides a frame for changing to a convertible. This Sprite is equipped with a 1275 engine with SU carburetors and a ribbed transmission. It is easy to start with excellent oil pressure. Although the car requires some work and the seller has too many projects, he provides an honest offer for a fixed price of $5,000. The car has a clean title, is registered and insured in the seller's name, which adds confidence in its condition. With this Austin Healey Sprite, you have a chance to take over the steering wheel of a classic car and maybe bring your ideas to life by restoring this iconic car. Do not miss the opportunity to add this project to your collection, because it is a great base for restoration and creation of a unique automotive experience. 2. Currently on sale is an exquisite 1976 Ford Gran Torino Elite Luxury, offered for $12,000. This luxury coupe with a mileage of 95,000 miles impresses with its originality, both inside and out, without having a single portion of wear in the interior. This is a real time vault. The car is equipped with an original 400 cubic inch engine, which makes it not only stylish, but also preserving its pristine authenticity. As the third owner, the seller has most of the documentation from the first and second owner, including a copy of the original title. This Gran Torino Elite Luxury is a true chronicler of the past, staying true to its time and preserving its authentic aesthetics. Behind the wheel of this car, you will be able to feel the atmosphere of the era. By purchasing this coupe, you become the owner of not only a stylish car, but also a piece of history embodied in every detail of this Gran Torino Elite. Do not miss the opportunity to take the helm of this unique time capsule, embodying the elegance and luxury of the era. 3. Currently available for purchase for $7,500 1976 Chevrolet Nova, which attracts attention with its updates and reliability. This four-door Chevrolet Nova gives you the opportunity to become the owner of a reliable and stylish car. The car is equipped with a new Jegs Crepe 350 engine and a new Healey carburetor, which gives it a fresh start and excellent performance. The TH350 transmission, installed recently, adds smooth driving. The 8.5 10-bolt rear axle with 3.08 gears transmission was replaced with another Nova. New leaf springs and elongated shoes in the rear, as well as new polyurethane bushings, provide stability and comfort on the road. New 8-pointed V8 springs are installed in front. New brake parts and tubes are also installed in the car. The seller claims that he has a clean title in his name and emphasizes that the car is used daily. This Chevrolet Nova provides confidence in performance and reliability, which makes it a great option for those looking for a stylish car for everyday use. At a price of $7,500, this is a great opportunity, and the seller notes that the price is final, without the possibility of bidding. No exchange, only pickup in Morganton or Canelli Springs, Tennessee. 4. Currently a fantastic 1968 Chrysler 300 Limited Sedan 4D is available for sale, and it is offered for only $7,000. This unique sedan, with a mileage of 74,252 miles, will be a real decoration of your car collection. The automatic transmission, the green exterior and interior color, the clean title, and the absence of significant damage make this car incredibly attractive. Having the status of a historical vehicle and being a collector's car, this Chrysler 300 Limited promises to be a real treasure trove for connoisseurs of retro cars. The seller emphasizes that the car is in excellent condition. It is not rusty, has a clean title, and has no serious problems or damage. Recently, the engine and transmission were reconstructed, which indicates that this car has not only preserved its history well, but is also ready for long and pleasant trips. This Chrysler 300 Limited is not just a car, it is a collectible relic that retains its character and grandeur over time. Do not miss the opportunity to become the owner of this wonderful car that carries the spirit and elegance of the era. 5. At the moment, a unique 1959 Mercury Monterey is on sale, and the price is only $12,000. This car is not just an object of attention of collectors, but also a functional vehicle that can provide you with a unique automotive experience. The heart of this handsome man is the 6.3-liter 383 Marauder engine, which guarantees energetic trips. A lot of new parts, including a completely updated brake system, water pump, generator, fuel and cooling pipes, distributor, new battery, fresh tuning, hinges, seals and gaskets, as well as a refurbished steering column and brand new Chrysler wheels with new tires. Traveled less than 200 miles. Make this car reliable and ready to road adventures. Although there are some disadvantages, such as an electric fuel pump, a faulty parking brake handle, a non-working radio and clock, as well as bodywork and interior that require attention. These disadvantages are small in comparison with the uniqueness of this rare car. Slight damage to the windshield does not detract from its value. With this 1959 Mercury Monterey, you have a chance to become the owner of a real rare car. This car is not just a vehicle, it is the epitome of style and history, and its rarity makes it truly unique on the roads. Don't miss the opportunity to purchase this rare specimen and add it to your collection. 6. You can currently purchase the stunning 1967 Plymouth Fury for $14,500. This 82,000-mile convertible is not just a car, but a real piece of history on wheels. This Plymouth Fury impresses with its safety. It remained in its original condition even before the wiper blades. After repainting and installing a new top, this convertible looks great. In 2022, a new exhaust was installed, which adds to its professional appearance. This car is equipped with factory air conditioning, which makes your trips more comfortable, especially on hot days. The owner claims that the car is in good condition and emphasizes its originality, from the body to the mechanics. This 1967 Plymouth Fury is not just a vehicle, but also a work of art that conveys the spirit of the era. Behind the wheel of this convertible, you will be transported to the golden era of automotive design. Don't miss the opportunity to add this iconic car to your collection and experience the greatness of the past on your own experience. 7. The magnificent 1984 Cadillac DeVille is currently on sale, and it can be purchased for as little as $5,000. This car, which I have owned since 1984, is not just an object of attention, but also a unique chance to take over the steering wheel of history. This DeVille works and drives perfectly, and its body is solid and in great shape. For all these years, it has been stored in the garage, which emphasizes the care of it. With a low mileage of 54,000 miles, this car provides an opportunity to live many more beautiful moments on the road. Although the car requires some investments, such as restoring the suspension and plastic bumper linings, you can easily turn this car into a real gem. The interior requires the restoration of the ceiling, and the cruise control and automatic antenna adjustment systems, unfortunately, do not function. The air conditioner has been repaired and converted from R12 to 134A, but requires recharging. You will also probably need to replace the pallet gasket. The original radio was replaced with a Kenwood sound system with a CD changer and an amplifier in the trunk. Also, the car is equipped with a tow bar and an automatic adjustment system of air shock absorbers. Despite a few minor problems, a little attention and care will turn this car into a real treasure. The original user manual is supplied with the car. This 1984 Cadillac DeVille is not just a car, it's a story that can be yours. With a little effort and care, you can make a real diamond on wheels out of this crumb. 8. A unique 1981 Fiat 2000 Spider is currently on sale, and only $5,600 is being asked for it. If you are looking for a project, then this Fiat Spider convertible is exactly what you need. The engine and transmission are in fully restored condition, and despite several challenges, this car is a potentially wonderful project for those who are ready to take the wheel. The engine and transmission are in a fully restored condition, but a replacement of the airbag is required. All the necessary spare parts are already available, as well as possibly tuning the transmission. With a mile run of just 90,000 miles, this car retains its appeal. The seller notes that the interior is in average condition, and the car has an original top. Work was carried out to update the alternator and distributor. However, the seller claims that he is not able to afford the maintenance and storage of this car, and also notes that the car has a great sentimental value, since it was repaired together with his father. This Fiat 2000 Spider is a great project for those who like to do car restoration and appreciate the sentimental value that this vehicle can carry. 9. At the moment, a wonderful 1974 Chevrolet Impala is on sale for just $8,700. This Chevrolet Impala, which has been one of the owners since its release, is a real find for connoisseurs of classic cars. With a mileage of only 67,463 miles and original data in the title, this Impala emphasizes its reliability and good care on the part of the sole owner. The owner has made some updates, including the installation of 4 new tires and 4 new shock absorbers, as well as a double exhaust from Flowmaster, which gives this car not only an external shine but also a brutal sound. It is important to note that this Impala has no traces of rust, which makes it even more attractive to collectors. The seller emphasizes that he will not answer questions about the availability of the car, which may indicate a high demand for this classic car. This 1974 Chevrolet Impala is not just a car. It is a piece of history collected over the years of daily operation and careful maintenance. With its stylish green exterior and reliable automotive heart, this Impala is ready to decorate your collection and give you an authentic driving experience on the roads of time. 10. At the moment, an amazing 1973 Oldsmobile Cutlass is on sale, and it can be purchased for just $12,000. This Oldsmobile Cutlass, with a mileage of only 16,100 miles, is the perfect combination of style and reliability, which has become a classic of the decade. With this car, which has been in my collection since 1973, you will get not only a beautiful car, but also a piece of history. Automatic transmission, green exterior, and black interior create a unique look of this Cutlass. The seller provided some important upgrades such as a new radiator, tires, brakes, hoses, and fluids. On the other hand, all other details remain original, which gives the car an authentic character. Thanks to these updates and careful care, the car has no rust and has not seen snow or salt since 1977. This Oldsmobile Cutlass, with a 350 displacement engine and a 3-speed gearbox, is not just a car, it is a guide to the world of vintage cars. With his clean title, the absence of serious damage and problems, he is ready to come into your hands and continue his story. If you are looking for a reliable and stylish classic car, this Oldsmobile Cutlass is your perfect choice.